there tech enthusiasts, exciting news awaits as we dive into the world of OnePlus. It seems that OnePlus has some surprises in store for us. If you were expecting a pro version of the OnePlus 11 5G, think again, because rumor has it that OnePlus might skip it altogether. Instead, brace yourselves for the upcoming OnePlus 12, which is expected to make its debut in the coming months. According to a report by SmartBricks in collaboration with renowned leakster OnLeaks, the OnePlus 12 may share a similar design language with its predecessor, featuring a round rear camera module. However, a significant change awaits us, an addition that has been highly popular in Huawei and Samsung phones. Periscope cameras offer several advantages over traditional optical zoom cameras. Not only do they provide improved zooming capabilities, but they also offer a better optical zoom range compared to smartphones equipped with standard 2x telephoto cameras. But that's not all. The OnePlus 12 is also rumored to draw power from Qualcomm's yet-to-be-announced Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. This powerful new chipset is expected to introduce the ADRENO 750 GPU, enhancing gaming and graphics performance. When it comes to battery life, get ready for an upgrade. The OnePlus 12 is likely to feature a substantial 5000 mAh battery supporting 150-watt fast charging. While this isn't the fastest charging technology OnePlus has adopted, similar speeds are offered by the OnePlus 10R. The OnePlus 12 will also boost 50-watt wireless charging, a rare feat for non-pro OnePlus phones. The reports suggest that the OnePlus 12 may house a new 50-megapixel IMX9XX primary camera sensor, possibly a 1-inch camera sensor developed by Sony. The sensor could be a successor to the Sony IMX989 featured in the Xiaomi 13 Pro. Accompanying the primary camera could be a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 64-megapixel periscope camera, providing incredible photography capabilities. Other expected features include Android 14, LPDDR5x RAM, UFS 4.0 storage, a 6.7-inch QHD OLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and an alert slide to conveniently switch between audio modes. While the report doesn't disclose the exact pricing details, we can anticipate the OnePlus 12 to cost over 50,000 rupees. For reference, the OnePlus 11 started at rupees 56,999. Generally, Pro models tend to exceed rupees 60,000. As for the launch date, it remains unclear. OnePlus is also preparing to unveil its first ever folding smartphone, rumored to be OnePlus V Fold, in August or September. Naturally, OnePlus would want to generate hype and excitement around the folding phone for a few months. Therefore, we can expect the OnePlus 12 to make its grand entrance in December or January. So OnePlus fans, get ready to experience the future of smartphones. The OnePlus 12 promises exciting advancements in camera technology, performance, and charging capabilities.